VRSF always has some quality products.
I bet your neighbors love you. Bro, that's obnoxious.
Yeah, it is. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. So in this video, my boy Oddkiv, or Perky, came over. Right now we're actually gonna be taking out the DME to send it to get unlocked so we can flash tune it, and on another day we're actually going to be installing the DME back on, putting the downpipes on, and flash tuning it. So today we'll go ahead and take the DME out and go from there. So the DME actually sits underneath the intake manifold, which is down here. So we got to get all this off before we can take that off. And then he's going to be taking it to LA to get unlocked, so we can get the car tuned, because you have to unlock it before tuning it. Alright guys, we're back. Today's a new day. Oddkiv actually went today and got the ECU unlocked. So here's that. Yesterday we got everything off. We got the intake manifold off, the air to water intercooler, and the ECU was actually mounted right here. So we got that off. He went today to LA, got it unlocked, came back, and now we're ready to install it back on the car. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do right now. We just got done installing everything. Intercooler is back on, the intake manifold is back on, everything's bolted up. I'm actually bleeding the coolant right now. It's actually an automated feature on the car. So we're gonna get that done so the coolant can be bled. And then we're gonna take the car out for a drive just to make sure everything is perfectly fine. Gonna pull it back in here and start on the downpipes, and most likely after the downpipes, we're gonna order the tune and tune the car. Downpipes are actually right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. So here they are, guys. VRSF always has some quality products. I love that logo that they weld on there. The welds look perfect all around. Same here. And that's basically it. All right, guys, we're gonna get you just some sound clips. Alright, that's just for reference. Now let's install these downpipes.
Let me show you something.
Alright guys, we just got done installing the downpipes. Right now we're gonna grab a bite to eat, and then we'll give you guys some rev clips. Thanks, Robert.
Anytime, brother.
Anytime, Eric.
Just slaughtered the damn thing.
You just slaughtered chicken?
Walking around.
What's up, guys? So it is the next day again. Last night we got the downpipes in, but we didn't have time to get the car tuned, so Oddkiv's actually on his way here right now so we can get that done and his car will be finally finished. Alright guys, so right now we're actually going to be tuning the car, but first we have to choose an off-the-shelf map that boot mode provides for us. We're going to be going with the Stage 2 ACN91 Aggressive Burble tune. Now it's downloading the software, and then it's going to begin flashing the tune onto the car.
How's your car doing?
Meh.
Need some pure turbos, huh?
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna put a GoFundMe link. My boy needs some pure turbos.
Some pure turbos, NE85.
So right now, because of the tune, other than the burbles, is the exhaust gonna be louder now?
Not loud. There's gonna be more boost, it might be a little bit louder, but that's basically what we're gonna do. All right, and just like that, it is done.
Gotta warm up a little bit, huh?
Yeah. To Mexico at the moment.
Bro, that's obnoxious.
Yeah, it is. We can lower it. But
Nah. What's the fun in that? Jesus, bro.
if you ever want to turn it up, just go to eco mode.
Yeah. Bro, it was popping a lot before, but it wasn't as crisp. Like you can hear, it was more burbles, not like gunshots. Now it's, bro, the camera probably doesn't even pick it up like as good. Should we turn the duration up a little bit to like 3.5 seconds now?
Trust me, it'll get annoying after a while. You like it now, but
Yeah, it should sick right now. Have you ever been pulled over for that?
no.
For the noise? No? Yeah.
He wants to run them. He almost hit. He almost hit that Jetta. You like it?
I bet your neighbors love you.
Oh yeah, they love me. They write me notes sometimes about how much they love me.
Thank you, Uncle Tat.
You're welcome, son.
Guys, go follow my boy Tat. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Blow his shit up on TikTok. Trying to get my boy E30 M3.
Alright guys, that settles it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and comment down below what you think of Perky Nipples' car. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.